Hey guys! Today we're going to continue my challenge to fill out the entire Pokédex using my artist trading cards. Last time you saw me finish out my Bulbasaur, and while I was gone, I'd finished my Ivysaur and Venusaur. So today I would like to try and complete the Char Boys. Charizard, Charmeleon, and Charmander. Like to do all of those first fire types. And we're just going to kind of chill out together and paint. Not much going on today. I might chit chat with you a little bit, but mostly just hang out and paint today. So grab your painting materials. Or maybe I got other things to do and I can just hang out in the background with you. Yeah, just cozy Pokemon time today. So if that's what you're looking for today, you've come to the right place. So let's go over to my workstation. We'll set up so we can make some more Pokemon artist trading cards. I'm doing something slightly different with my Char Boys. Last time I used the markers, to lay down the base underpainting, I decided to do watercolor this time because it's easier to lay down the color. But I'm also doing green because they're like orange and red, and green will be the complementary color. So I want that to be underneath. Just like for Bulbasaur and all of them, it was pink because they are green. So pinkish reds would be more of a complementary color. So just a little tip. Pick the complementary color and lay it underneath. And then it can poke out and it'll make it pop a little more. All done with the sketches. We have our cutesy little Charmander protecting his tail from the rain. And Charmeleon and Charizard, pretty similar. They're just kind of surrounded by their fire. So now that we have our sketches done, we can go in and start painting.
What the dog doing?
The painting is done. So we have our flats laid down on all of our char boys. Now I'm just going to go and line it, and maybe I'll add some shading and highlights with some color pencil. Coming along smoothly. I really like the way the colors turned out. So let's grab some color pencils. I've made such a mess of all of my materials. But I went back and I added a couple of details, some highlights and shading on my boys, the line art, and here we go. Here they are. I'm just gonna rip them up off the page and then we can slide them into my card binder. I think they turned out really cute so far. Our little Charmander. He's so cute. Charmeleon's already trying to come off. Very sad edge at the bottom. Oops. Charmeleon. Anybody has any advice about how to tape off your edges and make them like straight and even? I mean, I guess having clear tape would probably help, but if you have any other suggestions that maybe I'm just kind of missing, let me know. Because my edges are not great, but I think that's fine. It's not a huge deal. Not to me, at least. But look at our bowies. They're so cute. Just gonna sign the backs of these, number them, name them, and stick them in the binder. Number 4. Charmander. 5. Charmeleon. Number 6. Charizard. Admittedly, I think I like these guys a little better than these, but they're so cute. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite so far out of the 6? I think they're cute. They turn out good. A lovely way to spend my afternoon before work. Well, that's a wrap for my artist trading card making of the day. We did pretty good. We got 3 done in a video. Last time we only got 1. So we got 3. We got, 4, 5, and 6 out of over 1,000. But hey, we're ticking down. We're ticking down. But yeah, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which one of these guys is your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm thinking the next video might be a sticker making tutorial because I have some new stickers I want to print. But we'll see. We'll see. So stay tuned. And I'll see you guys next time.
What the dog doing?